Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. Well, today we're going to continue our practice of drawing of basic shapes, turning those into basic volumes. So today we're going to draw a mysterious book. Who knows what untold secrets lie beneath? But nonetheless, it should be a lot of fun, and just keep practicing those cubes. Remember, the quickest way, actually, there is no quick way to becoming good at art. It's just practice, daily practice. So give me 10 or 15 minutes every day and we'll have you drawing up a storm. Okay, let's get into the studio and get drawing. Okay, first thing we're going to do when drawing our book here, I'm gonna mark some different points here to try and give me some guidance as far as drawing the top of my book. So my marks are a little bit off center, but you can see them here. I've indicated them with a couple little red dots. It's kind of where you want to put your points on the page, and then connect those so that we'll have a flat plane. Then of course, next thing we're going to do is to add thickness to this plane. We're going to do 3 straight lines down, connect those at the bottom, and that really is the basis for our book. Now we'll use all those guides, all those lines to try and guide us as we draw bindings and pages and the strap and the bookmark. So I'm going to curve the 3 straights that I originally did to kind of give a sense of a book. And you'll see that in a book where the pages seem to have a little curve.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Okay, now let's draw the strap, and you can see that I've started on the front side of the book, straight up and down, and then following the diagonals that I've already established, I'm going to put the strap going across the book. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the buckle and the upswing of the buckle, as you could see. And if you kind of get lost to where I'm at, you could always refer to the drawings that are to the left. We've got our bookmark coming in on the side, adding some indication of where the pages are, making these very random, but what's important on these is that they're going in the right direction. And if you, like always, if you do fall a little bit behind, by all means, pause the video and get caught up. Let's add a little thickness to our belt that is keeping our book shut. And I'm virtually just tracing over the original rough sketch lines that I drew. Yep, getting the back here. I'm just kind of going around the book now and adding thickness to the different areas. We're going to finish up here in about 30 seconds, so this might be a great time to pause the video. Pause it, and then you can just kind of use where you're at and look at the final drawing to get caught up. Look at the color version to get some ideas of how you might color your book. Add some surface lines. And that about does it. Well, I hope you really enjoyed drawing this book. It will really help you continue understanding how to use cubes and rectangles and add decoration. All right, we will see you tomorrow. Great job. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.